What is going on, everyone? So I need to drop a quick video today because I saw something very disturbing on YouTube today that made me decide, pretty much make a split decision to make this video. Now, I am in a vehicle, but don't worry, I am not driving. I'm just a passenger today. So don't worry about my safety. I've got that under control. I'm here because I'm worried about your dadgum safety. I'm here because I'm worried about your money. And so here's what we need to talk about. Now, before we get started, make sure you smash that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're new here, because I make videos just like this every single day. So while I was scrolling through YouTube, I see this thumbnail, very interesting. It had an image of Vlad Tenev on it, and it said AMC, something about $400. So, what I was assuming by that is, AMC share price, $400. I click on the damn video. It's a YouTuber that's new. I can't recall how many subs he has, but I've never heard of him before. And I see that he's got a video up talking about, or actually showing screenshots and also showing videos of a Robinhood UI, or a Robinhood user interface, which is showing the share price of AMC stock to be over $400, about $436. So I took a short clip of this video, about 1 minute and 40 seconds. I do want you to watch this video in case you haven't seen it, so I'm going to play it here. If you've seen it already, feel free to fast forward, but then I'm going to explain to you exactly why the share price of AMC in this video is $436. So check that out, and I'll see you guys in just a second.
Guys, AMC stock just hit $436 a share on Robinhood. Make sure you guys watch this video all the way until the end. I'm going to get right into the details right now. So guys, a user on Reddit by the name of Wolf_Engans69 posted this post here. Get this trending now at Robinhood app or on the actual F. And as you guys can see, an image is attached, and it shows AMC Entertainment at $436.46. And if you guys go ahead and look at the brackets, it says up over 1,000%, which is absolutely insane, because if this is real, we're actually up 10x on our money right now, assuming your average is at the current price at what it is right now, which is absolutely insane. And guys, this isn't just all the proof we have. So if you think this is photoshopped, we even have videos. And as you guys can see right here, this is a video that he's sharing. He's going across, and you guys can see, if I pause it right here, boom, $436.46, 64 cents. And you guys can go ahead and see that he puts his cursor on it, and yeah, it's crazy to say the least. And it's insane because there's even more than this. And it's just crazy because they keep saying, yo, these are glitches, right? But they keep happening, if it's a coincidence one time, okay. But if it's a coincidence over and over and over again, is even no coincidence anymore. And even post on the Twitter, I've been behind this computer every day watching TD Ameritrade and Robinhood first time ever in the 9 months that this has happened. I noticed this morning TD Ameritrade was off 20 to 30 cents compared to Robinhood, and was getting suspicious. This just confirms that we are right. So he's saying here that TD Ameritrade was at the same, $436 or whatever, but it's just a couple cents off, which is crazy. And he says, Matt, update man, this is getting wild. And if you go ahead and look at the video here and we play it, you guys can go ahead and see that. Or see, we've been here for a lot longer now, but you guys go ahead and see, look at this. I mean, yeah, this is not a coincidence anymore, guys.
All right, welcome back. So what in the hell is going on here in this guy's video? Well, here's the deal, okay? He's showing us that the price of AMC stock is $436, or was, and he's talking about dark pools and blah, 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 all this other crap. Now, everyone here on my channel knows that I support AMC. Everyone here knows that I am an AMC shareholder. But there is a right way and a wrong way of doing things. This, my friends, my dear fellow apes, is the wrong way, and let me show you why, okay? So I'm just recording this from my cell phone just to show you guys, but here's GitHub. And what GitHub is, it's a Git repository hosting service. It's also pretty much open source version control software that lets multiple people make separate changes to web pages or applications at the same time. So I simply just Googled GitHub Robinhood UI, and right here, this is the second result that came up, which says RH line plot like in Robinhood on GitHub. So if we click on it, okay, and this pretty much allows anybody to pull the code off, and you can upload it into your software editor and pretty much have the same thing. You can make it do whatever you want. So here it is. It's no mystery, it's no secret, but I just wanted to show this to you guys. Here's the code on it. Okay, gives you all the instructions, so even an ape can do it. Now, basically, I'm showing you this because I do not want you guys to fall for crap like this in the future. Now, I I would love for AMC stock price to go to $436, but I'm not going to do it at your expense. I'm not saying that this YouTuber had anything to do with it. Maybe he just didn't know what the hell he was talking about. Who knows? Who cares? Bottom line is he was wrong. Anyhow, this wraps it up for today's short video. If you enjoyed what you watched, please go ahead and smash that like button if you haven't already, and subscribe if you have not subscribed.